Welcome to Dreams Macao. Today we're stepping inside the Junior Suite, and trust me, this room does not disappoint. Let's take a look around. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Okay, as we step inside this room, I want to point out that no matter which Junior Suite category you book at Dreams Macao, preferred club or not, this is exactly what your room is going to look like. So we're going to start in the bathroom, which is absolutely gorgeous. So you've got this walk-in shower with a soaking tub, which is always a nice touch for a relaxing vacation. You'll have a rain shower head and the handheld shower attachment as well. You've got a double vanity with plenty of counter space, and the toiletries are well stocked, and the space overall feels really clean and well appointed. And if you know me at all, you know that I love an enclosed water closet. Now let's talk about the closets and storage space. But first, here is something really cool. This is the secret box right here. This is how room service gets delivered directly to your room without anyone ever having to knock on your door. How convenient is that? And moving on to the closets, you have a double closet situation here. Nice sized closets with plenty of hanging space. You'll have a safe with enough room and actually settle in for your stay. Here is the fully stocked mini bar with an assortment of sodas and beer, including a coffee station as well. And of course, the second closet is located right here. All right, and now we're moving into the main bedroom, and this space is really beautiful. You've got the option of a king bed or two queen size beds, not doubles, which is so rare. Depending on how you're traveling, it's perfect for whether you're coming as a couple or with kids. The room itself is a great size, really beautifully decorated, and has that warm tropical feel you're looking for in a resort like this. Natural light, you have a nice seating area, and everything feels clean, fresh, and thoughtfully put together. Now let's step outside onto the patio. This room will have either a patio or a balcony, and this is just such a great feature of this room. You've got your own private outdoor space, and this particular room walks right out to the kids' pool and splash pad area. So if you are traveling with little ones, this location is incredibly convenient. Now keep in mind, all Junior Suite balconies are the same size and setup regardless of your view, so you're always getting the same great outdoor space. So that's a wrap on the Dreams Macao Junior Suite room tour. I hope this gave you everything you needed to feel confident about booking this room. If you want to see the full Dreams Macao Resort tour, make sure you stay tuned because that video is coming very soon. And in the meantime, go check out my Dreams Onyx video, and I'll see you in the next one.